car shops and collections, Pontiac, Michigan. Roadkill Nights. That's a little bit raw. This is Ricky over here, one of my fellow Badassadors. I'm shooting this episode by myself. It's going to be raw, but at least we're taking you behind the scenes of one of the biggest events in the country. So I've been teasing it for some time about my big announcement with Dodge. I'm now an official Dodge, not an ambassador, a Badassador. They flew us up here to Pontiac, Michigan to cover Roadkill Nights. I'm by myself, so that's why, again, this episode's a little bit raw, but I'm trying to bring as much stuff to you as I can. Car unveilings, ride-alongs. Tony Stewart's coming up. We're gonna walk around the car show. So thanks for watching, and it's gonna be a wild one. Tell everyone the big announcements that Dodge made today. It's unreal.
Well, for the first time, we shut down Woodward Avenue a day early. We usually don't start until after rush hour on Friday night, and they work through the night to get the drag strip ready for Saturday morning. We took an opportunity to close down a day early and launch the all-new Charger 6-pack. This is the ICE version of the vehicle that we've had in and on dealer lots for the last several months as an EV. And this was giving people what they've been asking for. This is a 550 horsepower twin turbo inline six, 531 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. This is an absolute beast that is more than just a muscle car. This is a daily driver. This is standard all-wheel drive with hidden hatch design, SUV-like capability. There is no compromise anymore when you want a muscle car. But the cool thing is, you hit a button and you can send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. You can smoke them, light them up as much as you want, as fast as you want to burn the rubber and pay for it later on. It's up to you.
All right, John, walk us through what you got back here.
So it's a 2000 Dodge Viper ACR. They didn't make that many of them, so it's super rare. And we engine swapped it with an inline six.
Walk us through.
Yep. So come around this way. If you know anything about turbos, we put a really big turbo on it. And we could have taken the exhaust out the back, but we decided to go straight up and through the hood.
And then how fast are you going out there on the track?
I don't know because we don't have a speedometer right now, but I would probably guess around 100 miles an hour we're getting up to.
What's that feel like when you're out there? We watched you in qualifying. What's that feel when you're out there and you're going full throttle?
Yeah, so the turbo spools up, the power comes on, and it kind of sucks you in the seat, and you're just holding on.
Your stomach comes up in your chest?
Yeah, it's like an amusement park ride, more or less.
All the time, right?
Yeah.
It's Tony Stewart, everyone. Tony, for those that have not been to Roadkill Nights, so it's completely new to it. How would you describe this event?
Well, I don't know yet because this is my first time.
Is it really? Are you serious?
So I'm like a kid going to Disneyland right now. It's like we got guys drifting cars in the background. We got cars drag racing today. It's like this is an adult playground right now.
It really is.
What Dodge does is unreal, and having this event is just super cool.
Have you ever thought about going because they're doing the ride-alongs that you walk in and sit as a passenger and have one of the guys
I'm not a good
drive
passenger. So what happens is I'll ride once, and then as soon as I ride, I want to switch sides and I want to drive. So
yeah.
So I'm better off just standing off to the side watching versus a ride-along.
This is something they normally don't let people do, which is race down Woodward Avenue, which is what we're about to do right now. Brand new Dodges. And Jason, tell everyone what we're in right now.
This is the new Dodge Charger 6-pack.
And how fast were we going?
We're doing about 80 miles an hour in the 8th mile.
And how legendary is Woodward Avenue?
Oh, Woodward is the bomb.
Of course, one of the things you're going to find at Roadkill Nights presented by Dodge are plenty of Mopars, plenty of Dodge Challengers. Woo-hoo-hoo. Endless. Ooh, and then we got a Dodge Coronet, actual patrol car that was used in Canada. And this was one of the cars that was competing at Roadkill Nights. I saw him in qualifying today. I'm not sure how he did, but I met the owner last night. An actual in-service used police cruiser from Canada We did an episode in Vegas on Officer D'Angelo's Dodge Coronet. This is pretty similar, a little more souped up again. There we go. This is it, the finals of the grudge match. Oh, you can just smell it. It's all come to this. 1 year of building, practicing, qualifying. This is it. The finals of the grudge match.
Wow. All right, thank you. It is such an honor and such a pleasure to be meeting Morgan here for the second year in a row, and it's befitting that she designed the winning trophy. And I can't wait to let her hold it, because she showed us what a hurt rate can do, and it was incredible watching you all day. Thank you for everything.
Absolutely, thank you. This is definitely a first to win my own trophy, but I gotta say, it's pretty cool. I did design it for me and my
Terrific job. Congratulations. Job well done. Incredible machine, and we look forward to having you back again.
Let's do it again.
2025 Roadkill Nights.